Hey everyone, if you're a fan of heavy-duty pickup trucks that deliver insane power, next-level luxury, and cutting-edge technology, then buckle up. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Ram 3500, covering its rugged exterior, premium interior, powerful performance, advanced safety, and everything you need to know about this beast of a truck. So, let's jump right in. Exterior design, built to dominate. The 2025 Ram 3500 continues its legacy of bold, aggressive styling, but with some key upgrades that make it tougher, smarter, and more aerodynamic than ever before. The front grille has been redesigned with a larger Ram badge and a more sculpted look, improving both cooling and aesthetics. New LED headlights and adaptive lighting provide better visibility at night, while the redesigned taillights add a modern touch. RAM has introduced new wheel options, including 20-inch forged aluminum wheels for off-road performance and polished chrome variants for the luxury trims. The hood now features functional air vents, improving airflow for better engine cooling, especially when towing heavy loads. Expect a wider range of factory colors, including Patriot Blue, Midnight Black, and a new Desert Sand edition. For off-road lovers, the Power Wagon and Rebel trims come with aggressive fender flares, skid plates, and a factory-installed winch. Overall, the 2025 Ram 3500 stays true to its bold, muscular presence, while refining key elements to enhance both form and function. Interior design, luxury meets workhorse. Step inside, and you'll see why the 2025 Ram 3500 dominates the heavy-duty truck segment when it comes to interior quality and comfort. Massive 14.5-inch Uconnect touchscreen with faster processing and split-screen capability for navigation, towing assistance, and entertainment. Redesigned digital instrument cluster with customizable displays that show real-time performance, off-road stats, and towing info. Premium leather and wood trim in high-end trims like Limited and Longhorn, while the Laramie and Bighorn trims offer rugged yet premium cloth and soft-touch materials. Available 24-speaker Harman Kardon sound system turns the cabin into a concert hall. New heads-up display, HUD project speed, navigation, and driver alerts onto the windshield. Best-in-class storage solutions, including under-seat compartments, lockable center console storage, and a dual glove box setup. Rear seats now offer heating, cooling, and even a reclining function for ultimate passenger comfort. Whether you're using the Ram 3500 for work or long-haul road trips, this truck's interior is designed for both utility and luxury. Performance, a heavy-duty powerhouse. Now, let's talk about what makes the 2025 Ram 3500 an absolute beast under the hood. Engine options. 6.4L Hemi V8 delivers 410 horsepower and 429 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for smooth shifts. 6.7L Cummins Turbo Diesel produces 420 horsepower and a class-leading 1,075 pound-feet of torque, with a best-in-class towing capacity of 38,000 pounds. New high-output Cummins option boosts power up to 450 horsepower and 1,150 pound-feet of torque, making it the most powerful Ram 3500 ever. Towing and payload, maximum towing capacity, up to 38,000 pounds with the gooseneck towing package. Max payload, up to 7,680 pounds, perfect for hauling heavy equipment, trailers, or work supplies. New adaptive suspension system automatically adjusts ride height when towing heavy loads for better stability and handling. Upgraded trailer camera system with 360-degree views, hitch assist, and a bed-mounted camera for easier hookups. Simply put, the 2025 Ram 3500 is built for serious towing, hauling, and off-road capability, making it the perfect workhorse. Safety and technology, smarter than ever. RAM has packed the 2025 Ram 3500 with next-generation safety features to keep you protected on the road. Ram's Advanced Driver Assistance System, ADAS. Adaptive Cruise Control with Stop and Go. Lane Keep Assist. Automatic Emergency Braking with Pedestrian Detection. Blind Spot Monitoring with Trailer Assist. Rear Cross Traffic Alert. New Trailer Sway Control System that automatically applies braking and torque adjustments to keep trailers steady. Hands-free driving mode available on higher trims allows for semi-autonomous highway driving. Off-road safety. The Power Wagon and Rebel trims come with an enhanced terrain management system and front-facing trail cameras to help navigate rough trails. Safety has always been a top priority for Ram, and the 2025 Ram 3500 takes it to a whole new level. Final thoughts: is the 2025 Ram 3500 the best heavy-duty truck? So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Ram 3500 isn't just a work truck, it's a powerhouse with cutting-edge technology, luxurious interior upgrades, and class-leading towing capabilities. If you're looking for a truck that offers checkmark unmatched towing and hauling power, checkmark a high-tech, comfortable interior, checkmark advanced safety features, checkmark rugged off-road capability, then the 2025 Ram 3500 is the ultimate heavy-duty truck for you. What do you think about the new Ram 3500? Would you buy one over the Ford Super Duty or Chevy Silverado HD? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest truck and car news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.